Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. In last video we have discussed about the discovery of cathode rays or electron, and after that we have also discussed the important characteristics of cathode rays. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the protons, and in your syllabus we have to know a little more about proton and after that neutrons. Okay dear students, so first of all protons was first discovered by Goldstein in 1932. Okay dear student, please see here, proton was first discovered by Goldstein in 1932. This is the first point. And after that, the mass of proton almost equal to the mass of hydrogen atom, that is 1.672 into 10 the power minus 27 kilogram. This is the mass of hydrogen, almost equal to the hydrogen, and the mass of proton is 1.672 into 10 the power minus 27 kilogram. Okay, protons have one unit positive charge, and the value of positive charge is 1.602 into 10 the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay dear student, after discovery of proton and electron, first model proposed by Thomson, known as Thomson atomic model of atoms. Thomson's model of atom. According to Thomson, an atom may be regarded as a uniform sphere of positive charge named proton, in which electrons are embedded like seed in watermelon. The definition given by Thomson is that, according to Thomson, an atom may be regarded as a uniform sphere of positive charge, and you know the positive charge is proton. Okay, and atom may be regarded as a uniform sphere of positive charge known proton, in which negatively charged electron electrons are embedded like seed in watermelon. Okay, like seed in watermelon. Yes. This model is also known as plum-pudding model of Thomson. Okay, see here, suppose a uniform sphere of positive charge. This is a uniform sphere of positive charge. Sorry dear student. The uniform sphere of positive charge. Okay, dear student. Clear. Clear? And the electron negatively charged electrons are embedded like seed in watermelon, just like seed are embedded in hold the mass. Say hold the mass in here, we can say positively charged electron and and positively charged you can represent like this. This is like watermelon, whole part of watermelon, and the negatively charged ion embedded electron are embedded like this. Okay, dear student. Like this. Clear, dear student? Okay. This is also known as plum pudding model. Okay. Now embedded electron. These are embedded electrons. Okay, and these are the uniform positive charge proton. Positive charge, you can write here proton. Okay, dear student, but this model was soon rejected because it could not explain the Rutherford alpha ray scattering experiment. Okay, dear student, very soon this model was rejected because it could not explain Rutherford X-ray scattering experiment. Okay, dear student. Now, second topic is here discovery of neutrons. Second one is discovery of neutrons. Discovery of neutrons. Dear student, this is not 1932. It is Insert Bohm written 1889. Okay. Now, discovery of neutrons. Discovery of neutrons. Okay, dear student. The discovery was neutron proved by James Thomson. James Chadwick. Sorry, dear student, James Chadwick. The discovery of neutrons was proved by James Chadwick in 1932. This is the discovery of neutron. Okay. The existence of neutral particle in atom was first proved by James Chadwick in 1932, and this neutral particle is known as these neutral particles were called neutrons. Okay. Now James Chadwick produced neutrons by bombarding. James Chadwick produced neutrons by bombarding light element like beryllium, boron, etc. with fast moving alpha particles. Okay. When alpha particles bombarded to beryllium, the atomic number of beryllium is 4 and the atomic mass of beryllium is 9, and when alpha particle bombarded, alpha particle is known as the nucleus of helium we can write also like this, 2 and 4. In other words, we can write as like 2 and 4. Okay, dear student. So nucleus of helium is known as alpha particle, and when after bombarded the alpha particle to the light element beryllium, find the isotopes of carbon like this, and plus 0 and 1. This is a neutron. Okay, neutron. Clear, student? Now neutron has no charge and almost its mass is almost equal to hydrogen. Okay, neutrons have no charge and mass of neutron are almost equal to the mass of hydrogen atom. Okay, dear student, the mass of hydrogen atom here equal to the almost equal to the, that means some is difference from hydrogen atom, mass of hydrogen atom. Its value is 1.675 into 10 the power minus 31 kilogram. Okay, dear student, the mass of neutron was found that 1.675 into 10 the power minus 31 kilogram, and neutron had no charge, which is neutral particle. Okay, and it is obtained after the bombarding of alpha particle to the light element like beryllium or boron. Okay, dear student. So in next video we will discuss about the discovery of nucleus. Okay, thank you, all the best.